Be barking a lot. Come here, come here. Let's go. You're going out.
We're not going.
Do you wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go out? Look. Yeah. Let's go. You go out for a walk with Daddy. Yeah. Come here. Come
Go
here.
away.
Come here. Come here. Stay. Yeah. Now you're tired. Yeah. No bite. No bite. Bye. I need to make Muttley his chicken dehydrated. So I asked Paul to buy me the chicken tenders. We're gonna need that. Chicken. It's strawberry season. Wow, I got kimchi for this size. It's how much is it? $6. Yeah, this is the Korean style roasted. You guys, one of my favorite Japanese sweet potatoes. So that's the mini haul. You're so cute. Kiss. Let me kiss you. Let me kiss you. You roll. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hello. You're so cute. Let's drink my message. Be bold. Cheers. Matcha shake. Oh, thank you, Daddy. I've been wanting this. This is the cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick, I like this. You want a phone? Come on. No? What's there? Cards? So many cards.
The water.
The water? Why? Why do you have to bark at people? There's so many people at the beach, Muttley.
Whoa.
So you're gonna bark at every single person you see here? Beach, Muttley. You missed the beach, Muttley. Look, yeah. There's so many people, right? You see many people? Yes. Muttley barking a lot. Nakataas yung Hello guys. We got some goodies today, so let's do an unboxing video. Mga damit lang naman to guys. So these are all the things I ordered online guys. Ayan, perfect siya for summer. Let's open this one. Oh wow. I'm gonna insert the picture here guys kung paano siya sa model, how it looks sa model. This is also, all of these guys are from summer. But anyway, this is a dress. Oh, I was expecting this to be white, but it came beige in color. So, ganyan siya. Yep. Ano siya, parang spaghetti strap. And it has pangtali. Parang I think it has to be tied sa back. Madaming damit. And then, susuotin lang siya ng isa, dalawa. Yung iba, hindi na talaga masuot. And then, I would end up pabalikbayan box, or yung iba matatapong talaga kasi we're trying to save space dito sa bahay. But yeah, oh wow, I like this one. This is a top with black and white, parang oh ganito siya. Size medium ang mga kinuha ko guys kasi I'm getting bigger na. Next is the Fossil. Oh wow, it's another top as well. Medyo similar siya sa first one na ino-open natin. But this one is parang malaki, no? Parang malaki siya. Size medium, parang malaki siya. Next one is this one naman. Oh, wow. Para talaga siyang pang beach. Ito is see-through. Para siyang pang cover up. ng bikini. Super see-through niya. Kasi dito lang. So, pwede itali mo siya. That's how you close. Yung sa harap niya dito. Wow. This one. Wow! Bakit ganito ang kulay? I was expecting this to be whitish or light beige. On the top. So, size medium again. So, one. Oh, malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Next one is the skirt one. Okay, this one is pang summer na skirt, guys. This tennis skirt. Or sa mga nag-golf, golf player, parang ganito din yata ang sinusuot nila. Wow, parang malaki ang medium, guys. Looks so big. But yeah, that's the picture sa model. Maganda. Tapos manipis siya. Oh, wow. Hindi ko bet yung material niya. Oh. Oh, scarf. Ito siya. Okay. I think I like it. Satin talaga siya. Nice. The color is nice naman. This is perfect, guys. Like that. And then, pwede rin. Parang pang ganyan ba? Yung style. I like it like that. I'm so down sa mga bagay na madaming mapagamitan. Multi-purpose. That's what I love this scarf. Are you scared? Are you scared? It's okay. Order na ako ng vlog. So, ordering stuff from Amazon, guys. Toner. This is my favorite toner that I use. And then I'm also wanna try this one. And then ito serum, leave-in conditioner. And I ordered this argan oil. Hello. Hi. You're so cute. My baby is so cute. Are you waiting for daddy? Huh? Daddy's waiting for daddy. Let's open the door. See, daddy's not ready. He's so cute. That's okay. They're collecting the garbage. Yung panahon dito sa Florida, napakainit na, guys. Ang super humid. Masakit sa balat. But pag nandito sa loob ng bahay, malamig kasi. So I like to wear sweater. Ganyan. Hindi ko kaya yung naka-spaghetti strap lang ako dito.